So right now you are hearing the audio from the blue Nessie from around like 10 centimeter far away from my mouth. So the gain is around, you can see, 60%. So this audio is recorded in the raw mode. Yes, this is the raw mode audio. You need to be the judge how good is the audio. Let me sing a quick song. It doesn't really matter how hard you try, start with why. So now let me put in the voice mode from the raw mode, and right now you are hearing the audio in the voice mode. Yes, you heard me right. This is the audio in the voice mode. You need to judge how good is the audio. Uh, to my ears it seems quite good. This audio is recording in the voice mode on the on the blue Nessie. Now let me jump to the music mode. This is for recording the instrument mode. Right now I'm using the blue Nessie USB condenser microphone. Again, this is not a dynamic microphone. Can it hear the background noise or not? I'm not sure, but you need to be the judge. This is the music mode. Again, there's not like a huge difference compared to the raw mode versus voice mode versus the music mode, but still I'm quite happy at the end of the day. I mean, I'm literally happy with it. Let me jump to the uh, voice mode. So this is the voice mode. You need to be the judge how good is the audio. To my ears it seems quite good, but again you need to be the judge. That's all I can say. Subscribe and bye.
لست للفردوس أعلى ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي